So last night before bed, which I should avoid doing, I checked the timeline and I saw that the Giants traded Odell Beckham Jr. to the Browns, right? And I didn't let it get me upset. I just went to sleep, slept pretty good too, by the way. And I woke up this morning. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what that means. If you didn't, check the description, Instagram in the description below. Anyway, so I checked the gram. I checked again this morning to make sure that I wasn't dreaming, hallucinating, or anything like that. But come to find out, I wasn't dreaming, hallucinating. Like, the Giants had the audacity to do that. Like, literally. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna let it upset me right now or today. Actually, well, I still haven't processed it yet. I'm not gonna get upset or overreact, all right? I need to process it. And I know there's going to be a ton of people. There's already people hitting me up, especially your New England Patriots fans hitting me up, asking me if I'm okay. I don't know that answer yet. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Boston, it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect partly sunny weather with a high of 43 degrees and a low of 32 degrees.
Heading into the city, going to train that client that I did a consultation with a couple of days ago. Doesn't seem that bad outside today, so should be a good day to walk a little bit. So we are here at Saldair. I'm waiting for my client to arrive, just setting up. Today is going to be our first full session. So this is going to be the session where I take him through the full program. This is going to be day one and see exactly how his body moves under certain loads and different moves, planes of motion. So we'll see how he does and I'll check back in. So the session went really well. He's moving a lot better than I expected, especially having been exercising for so long. Right now I'm headed over to Lynx to teach this 12 o'clock boxing class. If you haven't signed up, hit their web and come up and link up with your boy. It's definitely a fun class and it's just getting better and better, man. I promise you, I would never steer you wrong. It's getting better and better. Yo.
Caesar Gene. What's cooking? Good looking. It's like fucking the Giants could have got a better deal, but people don't want to make deals with the Patriots.
Oh wait, you wanted the Giants to deal with the Patriots?
Yeah, the reason they signed him last year is because the Patriots came out with the most aggressive trade offer, and they were like, oh, maybe we should keep him. Oh, so now we're just gonna decide that we're gonna keep him, pay him $22 million in his bonus, and then we'll trade him the next year. So that tells me that they didn't think ahead at all.
That's crazy. What position are you in?
Supine 90-90, trying to get my left adductor to fire up, while every exhale I protract with my left shoulder, trying to clamp down my rib cage on my left side and open up my rib cage on my right.
Are you doing unilateral today?
Yeah.
What we got on the docket?
Single arm bench press and Cressy throw, Cressy shot put throw.
And this position, Pat, what is it?
Driving the knee in to get the adductor, driving the right heel into the wall to get the glute, protraction with the left, retraction with the right. Again, trying to open up my right rib cage and clamp down on my left. Get in. He literally has 3 of the highest interception seasons by a quarterback ever. He's had a 27 interception season, a 22, a 20. Like, how many has Peyton Manning and Tom Brady had? If we want to compare him, we can compare him to Brett Favre, who actually won MVPs. Fucking, don't put that on me, people. I'm fucking pissed.
So Pat wanted Odell Beckham to come to the Patriots.
Yeah.
So that's what he's pissed about. He's not pissed about like anything else. But mention the Giants, he mentions Eli and all of this stuff. But when he wants a wide receiver from us, that's when he's giving grief,
It's
right?
fine. We'll get AJ Green on the way cheap. We'll get AJ Green for half the price, and we'll get 2 good years out of him. And by that 2 years is up, then the Browns will be like, what the fuck are we supposed to do? We gotta sign Baker Mayfield for $40 million a year. Oh crap, we locked up all this other cap space with our wide receivers. When the number 1 wide receiver, there's not much of a difference between him and the number 25 wide receiver. If you remember youth football, you could barely tell the fucking difference. They're all
it's
athletic.
the laws of
Coaching.
diminishing returns, man.
Coaching, baby. It's coaching. Coaching and leadership wins championships, not freak athletes. Only in individual sports, not team
Hater,
sports.
man. Hater.
It's right. Fucking right. Fucking right.
But he is Pat is a good wide receiver though. I ain't gonna lie.
He saw it, dude. He
Yo,
fucking
I saw it with my own eyes.
I'm gonna be Tommy's gonna call
Yo,
me up, dude.
how much yards you getting this season, man?
Oh, I'm QB this season.
Oh shit.
And then you double fist in the red solos. And then you try to get the rhythm of the girls. Sometimes they go too fast. Sometimes they go slow. We don't want none of that though. We were all about the slow gyrate.
The slow gyrating.
Slow gyrate. That's when you knew shit.
I know, man.
The shoes you fucking wear.
Him and James Dean.
James Dean stole it from Steve McQueen. The Barracuda was Steve McQueen. G9 Barracuda, those jackets I have, that was Steve McQueen. And then all the ones off of that are copycat. 3, 2, 1.
We're at Pat's crib right now picking up Henry. He's gonna make his first debut on the vlogs. Cutie patootie.
Go ahead. Oh, don't let him out there, Caesar. Caesar. It's a little past. Oh. Come in, come all the way in. Come over. You don't take him out right now.
What up, cutie?
Handsome. What you doing, boy? Huh? You shaking your booty? Feel like your camera, dude.
Cutie.
Look at that little coo.
What's up, Henry?
Look at that little bum. Come on, little man. Let's go. Bring that ass.
buddy.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Come here.
Let's see Uncle C's handsome. Show him what you're working with. Show him that coo. I never do.
What you eating there, Patrick?
I got my nice little protein smoothie bowl, little acai, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries.
Homemade acai?
No. Frozen samboza. My little boy. And then I got Ancient Grains granola. I think it's Amy's or some shit. It's low, not super high in sugar. And then 3 scoops of Naked Mass. Which has no flavoring or any added ingredients, right, handsome? Just protein. Just protein. Good boy, yeah, no doubt.
Ew,
I don't
man.
even give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, he loves me.
Yo, man.
You gotta get down though. Yeah. That's a fucking tongue in my mouth. Handsome.
Oh no,
He's
that's
gonna bark at me.
hey.
Quick little man.
It's like running.
Back and forth. at that. Look at the balls, dude. Growing.
Wait, you're not going to get him neutered?
Look at that ball sack.
What? He's going to be
You zoom in on that?
He's going to be humping on everything.
Yeah,
man.
fuck yeah. He fucking humps my leg every night.
Oh no.
I'm used to it at this point.
Even while you're sleeping, does he leave
Sometimes, every now and then.
any cream of wheat?
He's left one time, I think. I think he left cream of wheat. It's tough to see. It's tough to see. I don't know if it's my cream of wheat or if it's his cream of wheat sometimes. Hey! Don't fucking back up. That's enough.
All right, heading back now. I gotta answer some more emails. Got a couple of client requests. So gotta go home, shoot some emails, and prep some food for the rest of the week because I'm out of food. And yeah, August time. You know what time it is. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The magic hours. The hours when the kids are asleep, things are quiet around the house, and I get to work. Something pretty cool happened. I was chilling and I got a text by a former colleague of mine. She heard about the summit and she wants to cover it for the news. She literally texted me like, hey Caesar, I heard you're on the panel. Can I cover you for the news? I was like, what news? You know, so yo, Christy, thank you. You know, that's all I can say. I've never done this before. I've never done any TV. Actually, I'm lying. The TV I did was a crazy story. I was walking to work like 5 a.m. in the morning and it was a snowstorm and the news was camping out and they pulled your boy aside and asked for his opinion about the storm. So I have been on TV before. Anywho, that ain't the point. The point is, you know, like, this thing is part of the vision and it's happening. It's live, man. So tons of prep, tons of things I have to get done. And I just told wifey about this news and she was like, yo, do you got a deck prepared? I'm like, a deck? So apparently I have to have a deck prepared. So I'm researching what this deck thing is. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm going to end this video here so I can get back to work. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at Chiquala. Peace.